Hi everyone, this is Sam Silverman, Managing Partner of EB-5 Today I'm at the Twin Lakes, Georgia Rural EB-5 Loan Project, one of the most popular rural EB-5 projects ever in the history of the EB-5 program. Twin Lakes, Georgia is a master planned 55 and up single family home community being developed by the Coulter Group, one of the largest private developers in the southeastern United States. The Twin Lakes project has sold over 800 single family homes, is already profitable, and has created over 4,000 EB-5 eligible jobs. The project has hundreds of investors who've already received their I-526C green card approval and is currently on its 5th EB-5 loan fund. Funds are secured through a repayment guarantee from one of the Coulter Group's parent holding companies, and the project is well underway, is already profitable, and has a limited number of spots remaining in the 5th and final EB-5 loan fund here at the Twin Lakes project. One of the things that makes this project really compelling for investors is proof of sales. Over 800 single-family homes have already been sold on site. Hundreds of retirees are already living in Twin Lakes. All of the key amenities have already been completed. And on site, there's a complete model home park with multiple fully decorated homes and a complete design center for potential buyers to come and tour and select exactly what model and what features they're interested in. This makes the project a lot lower risk, a lot safer for EB-5 investors, knowing that the project's already profitable and has a track record of successfully selling single-family homes for a profit at this location over the last 5+ years. One of the things that really makes Coulter unique is a completely designed, ready to move in model home park where buyers can evaluate potential color schemes, finishes, fixtures, and really get a feeling for what a potential home could look like living at the Twin Lakes project. So let's go inside and we'll check out what one of these model homes looks like.